Um, so, yeah, hello. We are in the Cake family, and yeah, if you're wondering why my name does not start with the K, it starts with the R, and I don't want to put my actual name because people pronounce it totally different of how it's spelled. I mean, they pronounce it how it's spelled, but it's pronounced totally different. So, yeah. Yeah. That's why when people meet me, I'm let them call me what they actually, how people pronounce my name. So, yeah, I'm not gonna say it because, yeah. So for this is Catherine. Yeah. So, if you wonder why I put cake, it's because I lost interest with the C. Yeah. Also, a lot of people should know my mom. Kind of, some. My mom and dad work for engineering. So, what are you doing? Lazy lesson. He passed out. It is literally what he would do in real life. He would just take over the dog's bed. And Chloe, what are you doing? You should not be up here. You should be down on the ground. Cammy, get up here. In real life, Chloe, she doesn't like to come inside. She should stay outside and. Yeah, she actually doesn't really. You look a pet yo doggy. So I can't wait to see what she looks like when she grows up. Coco in real life. Was that just a freaking glitch that just happened? If you look over here, there's a glitch. So, yeah, this is a really short episode. So yeah, don't forget, you're looking at my computer screen. Just don't forget this is picture out of my computer. You know what I mean? It's my wallpaper. So yeah, sorry for this short video. So yeah, I'll be back. 2